Here's a 9-inch Kuo Horng table fan. I found this in the trash at a thrift store all the way back in like 2009 maybe, and it was the same place I found that deal table fan that I made a video of us a couple weeks ago, and that beat up Lakewood 3rd Gen box fan. That place threw out a lot of fans, and this was one of the ones I managed to save. The reason they threw it out was probably because it was seized up, but just a little bit of oil, 3-in-1 oil on the bearings, and it started running like it was new. I don't know for sure, but I think this might have been used in a kitchen before I found it, because it was just covered in grease. And even with glue gone and years later, I still find grease sometimes in some of the little grasses in it. But it works pretty well. It's not in the best shape, but it works a lot better than when I found it. Anyway, I'll turn it on now. Here it is on high. There it is oscillating. Here's low. And off. There's the side and the back, and there's the top of it. I don't know if you can see, but it's cracked right there. It was like that when I got it. Oh, someone also wrote their initials on it, JRM, and when I first found it, it had a sticker right there. I don't know if this is going to show up on the camera, but there was a sticker right there that had the same initials on it. So, yeah, I guess the base is kind of yellowed too. It's also missing a foot right there, but usually I can just tuck the cord under it. There's the sticker. It's model KH901, made in Taiwan. And there's my 9-inch Kuo Horng table fan. Thanks for watching.